GoPro accessories I like and use the most with GoPro Hero 12, but not only with this model, with most GoPros. Let's start from the chest mount. If you want to keep your hands free and like don't think about shooting or framing the shot perfectly, you can just mount your GoPro on your body with these chest mounts, or even on your helmet with helmet mounts, or on your head with the head mount. These are just like straps that I've got down here. Let me take it for you. You can find these on Amazon. I left some links down in the descriptions in case you want to check them out. This goes like so. Then you'll have your GoPro mounted on your chest, like so. Your hands can be free and the GoPro records everything it's in front of you. I find this also quite useful if you're surfing or if you're snowboarding, if you want to have your hands free. So this is like it goes around your wrist. You can take some really nice shots from this perspective. So again, you can have it on your wrist, you can have it here on your arm, on many different places. And this, like, you can see it turns around. So if you want to place your GoPro here, very handy, very nice. Tripod, it's always useful for anything that you want to do, like a time lapse, or even if you want to record yourself. You just place your GoPro here, you screw it in, and you use the tripod, to mount your GoPro anywhere. And this is like a flexible tripod. It's quite nice because you can attach this on, on trees or on other objects. It's by Joby. It's one of the best tripods, for this purpose. It's got the typical, screw that you can attach on different cameras, but also on GoPro with this adapter. The bar mounts, this can be attached on a bike, on the bars of the bike. It's pretty stable. And then after that, what I use a lot is the selfie stick. This is quite handy because I attach the selfie stick on the tripod and I can adjust the height of the selfie stick and use it as a tripod basically to record videos like this one. You can buy this separate from your GoPro. It's the Media Mod. You can use the Media Mod for connecting your camera to other devices, or also because it's got a HDMI port, audio port. You can connect another external microphone, you can connect headphones and so on. It's got directional microphone here. And yeah, this is another useful accessory, especially if you make vlogs. Then we've got the GoPro Volta. This can be bought separately, but this also comes in the creator bundle. It's got a charger inside, so when you connect the USB-C to your GoPro, it will charge your GoPro. You can also control your GoPro from the controls here, from the buttons here, because this connects to your GoPro through Bluetooth. Last but not least, we have the LED by GoPro, and it's quite useful, in dark situations. It doesn't make like an enormous amount of light, but it's enough if you are vlogging in a dark environment, for example. So these were the main accessories I use the most with my GoPros. I hope you found value. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about your GoPro Hero 12, how to set it up, how to make better videos with it, watch this video up here, and I'll see you soon. Peace.